is Salan here, and my mom is gonna give me all of the poppies on my birthday and all of the simple dimples that she ordered. And
Close your eyes.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Open.
Oh my gosh.
Hey.
And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. It's gonna be fun. And hit
Wait.
the like button.
So what did you get?
I got...
This is for the prizes for your birthday.
Yeah, my prizes for the birthday. I have a purple one. And I have a green one, a green purple one. The same, and yellow, and more yellows. And Mom, and I'm gonna give these to my friends. And yeah, guys, bye. I hope you enjoy my video. Puppies. I love this. I clearly love this. Oh my gosh. It's a unicorn one. I always dreamed about this. And I always dream about this. Both of these, I always dreamed about this. I always dreamed about this. And yeah, there's more, guys. I have a purple simple. I love these sounds. My favorite. I love it. It's my favorite. And yeah, guys, these are all. And this is a fish. It's a fish, but it's pink. And this is a lollipop one. I love lollipop popping. You can even bite them. Look, there's a dog